Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have Michael's 2024 BMW X5 in for some sound treatment. This is actually the 5th car we've done for him. So obviously he believes in the stuff, right? Because this is literally the 5th car. And every time we step it up, we do more and more deadener. He finds it super helpful. It just really helps quiet the vehicle. And we're just gonna walk you through and show you what it takes to do some sound treatment on this vehicle at the level that we're doing it at. It is very involved. So just to give you an idea, look at this rack. I mean, we in essence have the entire interior for as far as just the door panels. We don't even have the seats, the floor, none of that. We have the door, all the door cards, and the rear tailgate. Because on this pass, we're gonna do all the doors and the tailgate section. But just wanted to walk you through what that takes. So, in order to get to the outer skin, we have to remove the inner adapter. Now, the only thing with that is the window regulator is part of that assembly, which is connected to the window. So we have to remove this molding in order to access a release that allows us to release the window motor and then access the inside. But just want to show you. So this is the deadener that they have. They have a couple pieces, so it's not horrible, but it's not great. Just wanted to show you, right? And then let me show you on the front door as well. But if you can see, all the windows, and the reason the windows are taped is because they're technically right now they're free floating. They're not connected to anything. So we tape them in order to keep them from falling. So this is the amount of deadener that's in the front door. So I'm gonna show you. These are huge panels. I mean, look at how long of a flat spot that is. Other than the brace, look at how long that flat spot is. It's just really crazy. We've done this vehicle before, so we pre-cut all the stuff on the bench to ensure that we have a really good fit and finish in the vehicle. A lot of times we see it, people are kind of chopping it up as they're putting it in. For us, we just tend to do it a different way. We like to make a template, do everything outside of the car, and then just install it. This, for us, we get a better result, better coverage, and just it looks better. So we tend to do it that way. All right, so as you can see, so Robert's covered the interior up. So we have as big of a panel as we can get on the top half, as big of a panel as we can get on the bottom half. Now, is that necessary? Nope. Is any of this necessary? Nope. But if you want the best possible outcome, then we do as much as we can possibly get to, and that helps it be a better result, right? So can we do half the coverage? Can we do a quarter of the coverage? Yes, because that's what the factory does. The factory puts in just enough to solve the problem so that you can't hear it. It's still there, but they're just minimizing it, right? We want to do the best possible job we can to eliminate it. Now, can we get rid of it 100%? No, because it's a car, there's a lot of moving parts, there's pieces that we can't get to, but we can make damn sure that we get as 95% of the way there, and that's what our clients are looking for. So they're looking for something that gets them as much as they could possibly get. So we always say, you know, we want to give all our clients their money's worth. We want to give them what they paid. You know, a lot of times it's like you do something and they're not doing it at the highest level, so you're not getting everything you paid for. You're getting what they were capable of, but not what you paid for. And we're doing the second skin's coating. It's like a anti-noise and vibration coating. If you want to take a look, it looks very much like undercoating. Now, what that does is it stops vibration and deadens the wheel wells. A lot of noise in a vehicle comes through the wheel wells, obviously because the tires are spinning and they're rotating, kicking up rocks and doing all kinds of things. So this insulates that whole area as well as the firewall. So on the firewall, again, really big piece that always has a lot of noise. So we're deadening that entire section. And again, these are like 4 points in the car that radiate a ton of noise. So by doing this, it helps dampen that and block that out. Now, it is very involved, right? So as you can see, we had to take apart all the wheels, put the vehicle on jack stands. We had to mask all the harnesses, the body, the wheels, I mean, everything just to do this. But it definitely delivers a ton of results. We've done 5 vehicles actually for this client, and every time we step it up a little bit more because he really sees the benefits of having a quiet vehicle. So just wanted to show you the final product on the second skin. So this is that spray-on deadener. This is actually 5 layers. The thing is, between each layer, you have to wait between 30 and 60 minutes. So for it to fully cure, and then you can apply the second layer over it. And every time you do a layer, you have to clean out the gun. Otherwise, the gun will become solid. So it definitely takes a lot of work, but I mean, covers the amount of coverage you're getting. It's gonna make a huge difference as far as road noise.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.